Hello traders, welcome to another edition of Weekly Forex Market Setup Ideas on ChartsEmpire. In this Weekly Forex Market Setup Ideas, I have the British Pound Sterling paired against the USD, I have the Euro paired against the USD, I have the Canadian Dollars paired against the Japanese Yen, I have the Euro paired against the Swiss, and then I will wrap up my market setup ideas with gold. Don't forget, you can always use the timestamp in the description of this video to skip to any focal point of interest in today's video. The first currency pair on our watch list is the British Pound Sterling paired against the USD. This currency is still under the influence of a bearish interest on the daily chart. Next week, we should be watching out for a bearish setup. A bearish rotation of price below the last swing higher low here at 1.09 would invalidate the gradual build-up of potential bullish wave in this long-term bearish trend. A strong bearish close of price would result in a double top downtrend, and this could interest more bearish momentum to continue the downtrend to the next powerful support level at 1.05. Alternatively, a bearish setup would be weakened if the bulls could ensure a strong bullish close of price above the major resistance price level of 1.14. And then if this should occur, the next potential resistance level target for the bulls would be the price level of the 1.196. Next is the Euro paired against the USD. The daily chart of Euro USD is still in an aggressive long-term bearish trend. A powerful major support level comes in at 0.9 price level. This major support level of 0.9 price level could interest buyers, thereby resulting in a double bottom chart pattern in a downtrend. Take note, these double bottoms would need confirmation through a strong bullish breakout and retest of validation above the upper trend line of this falling channel. Successful validation of breakout could lead to combo confluence factors of bearish channel breakout plus double bottoms bullish breakout for the reversal of this downtrend. Alternatively, a strong bearish close of price below the major support level at 0.9 could suggest the retest of the lower band of this falling channel. Technically, sellers need to be careful because there could be a massive interest in profit taking, and this could result in a bearish trap for the last sellers in this falling channel. Next is the Canadian Dollars paired against the Japanese Yen. Here on the daily time frame, the Canadian Japanese Yen is on a strong bullish rally and the bullish wave is still intact. Currently, there is a double bottoms pattern slightly trading above the major key level at 106.46, but not yet above the last previous resistance on the left hand side here and then here. Let's check on the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame, which is the month of September, carved a bearish pin bar at a multi-year resistance level from the month of November year 2014. This bearish pin bar at a powerful resistance level may serve as a hindrance for the bullish sentiment on the lower time frame. Let's check back on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, a bearish close of price below the swing higher low of 104.50 could interest whale sellers to pull down price to the support level at 101.27 based on the bearish pin bar on the monthly time frame. Therefore, buyers need to be careful on the Canadian Dollars Japanese Yen next week. Next is the Euro paired against the Swiss. On the daily time frame, we can see the major support level at 0.96 cents is still holding up price. Also, there is a possible inverted head and shoulder pattern formation. This major support is conspicuous on the monthly time frame. Let's navigate to the monthly time frame. As we can see, the powerful support rejected price in January year 2015. Currently, this same support structure is still holding up price right from the month of August. The next major resistance comes in at 1.02. Let's navigate to the daily time frame. Here on the daily time frame, a strong bullish breakout and the retest of validation of this possible inverted head and shoulder pattern could interest buyers for a counter trend bullish move next week. The next potential minor resistance comes in at the $1 price level, and this is the intersection of the 50% Fibonacci level. Also, the next swing here is an intersection of the 61.8% Fibonacci level. Therefore, don't be surprised if any of these two levels act as a continuation point for this downtrend. Alternatively, a weekly bearish close of price below the 0.96 would suggest weakness in the inverted head and shoulder pattern. The pattern would be voided once a bearish close of price occurs below the low of the head of the inverted pattern. It's time I wrap up my personal opinions on the market with the XAU paired against the USD, that is the gold. Here is the weekly time frame of gold. The weekly double tops neckline on gold has been broken and the retest of validation has been carved. Although the bearish breakout of the neckline was questionable right here, but the close of bearish shaving high and low of the rejection candlestick here gave a signal of a bearish confirmation. Therefore, next week we should be looking for a bearish set of entries from the lower time frames. Next minor support acts at $1,560. Let's navigate to the daily time frame of the gold. On the daily time frame, we have a potential falling channel. Therefore, sellers need to be careful and trail their active positions as price rotates closer to the lower band of this bearish channel. Alternatively, a bullish weekly close of price above the 1,673 price level could interest buyers to test the upper band of this falling channel. This bullish test could suggest a potential rising double bottom pattern set up for the bullish breakout of this falling channel pattern. That's all I have for you in this weekly market setup ideas. Are you tired of trading on MT4 or MT5? Want to trade forex, commodities, indices, stocks, and cryptocurrencies on a trusted broker that gives you access to trade on the TradingView platform with a low commission fee? Check the links I left in the description of this video. Now it's your turn. I would like to know your market watch list for next week. Remember, the comment box is all yours. Feel free to ask me a question or suggest any topic you want us to treat in the next video. If you are more interested in learning simple and effective trading strategies, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow our online social media platforms and click on the notification bell on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming trading strategies tutorials. I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.